Previously on ApprenticeEh.
That was so good. There's always a total Chinese guy.
Jurassic World 2! Featuring ApprenticeEh!
Woohoo! Oh, he's stalking something. Bugs.
He wants to catch a fly.
He's a strange dog. This yard is a disaster. Need to clean it up a little bit.
Because it's been raining.
It's been raining like every single day. I'm not used to that in the summer. I love how Chewy's like trots.
Because he doesn't know what to do with his long legs.
He gets excited and he's just like dee 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 dee.
I mean, I was saying last night, if you like took their legs, combined them, and then you averaged them out, they would both have normal sized legs.
Just got a piece of Chewy off and put them on 3PO. And then they can both be normal.
Can I help you?
What are you doing? But we're supposed to be working out right now. This is not working out at all.
In typical ApprenticeEh fashion.
We're awful.
No. Corey is setting up Victor with the new internet router.
Right. So we definitely need that while we're hitting each other with sticks.
Yeah, because what if you want to put it on Periscope? You like a little live stream, right? Am I right? Snapchat?
Uh-huh.
Instagram? Any of the things?
Mm-hmm.
Give him a new router because he has like one from like forever ago. Give him a new one. Corey's setting it up. And then we're hooking up with coffee because everyone loves coffee. And I'm just going to make some because why not?
Okay. Are you aware that our entire relationship is based off of violence?
Yes.
Sorry. We met in fencing.
Yeah. The first day I met you, I hit you with swords for like 3 hours straight. It was awesome.
Yeah, it was great. And then we basically fenced for like 4 or 5 years.
Mm-hmm. And
then there was a break, but now we're doing this.
Yeah.
And it's just beating each other with swords and sticks.
Yeah.
And no protection at all.
Yes.
So
good. You deserve it. You need a couple bruises every now and then, right? Am I right? Am I right? Ow, abuse. So Victor made us lightsabers to be a little more accurate to what we're usually doing with them. So instead of swords, which are a little bit shorter, we now have a little bit longer lightsabers. Yeah. So, surprisingly, more difficult. Because
So much more difficult.
Because the distance is off, because we're used to standing shorter, because of shorter swords. So now
They bounce.
They bounce, which is good. I think we got it figured out. You ready? Are you ready?
Are we doing it?
If we suck.
Yep.
That's part of the problem. Yeah.
Okay, you don't do that at the beginning though.
Why are you swinging at my
Right from here? Oh, you don't?
No.
Oh, I thought there was a sweep right at the beginning. I'm going to time. Okay.
I was not prepared.
Okay.
Push, swing the torso.
No.
From here. Just push. 1, 2, 3.
You're understanding now.
You're spinning. You're not trying to hit. You're just spinning and covering your back and then hitting.
Okay.
Push. 1. I did it.
Oh, Corrado.
Extra attack this whole time.
I was wondering if that was just because these swords are longer.
No, that's just me being bad. That's all. Yeah, that's right. Alright, let's start a little bit from the top. Alright. See, now I'm all messed up.
Push kick.
No, I think that's in the
Alright, let's start that again.
So, Rihanna's noises are my favorite part of all. Like even like I fought Rihanna and like we just to start remembering what we were doing, you just started making noises like this is chop chop.
That's how I remember how to do it. You give specific cool moves names, and then when you do like the screams of terror, it's like, oh, I'm being attacked now. Oh, I'm defending now. It's great.
It's like remembering sense but remembering noises.
Yeah.
Here I am, trying to cook pork tenderloin on the barbecue, and some idiot is trying to like do yard work or something. Like, what's going on here at this? Like, come on. Trying to keep the place all clean. No, while Saskia's cleaning, I am looking after dinner. So I decided to barbecue some pork tenderloins. Let's take a look at these guys. I think these are going to be pretty good because I love barbecuing pork tenderloins specifically because they taste the best over fire. Pro tip. But to be fair, most things taste better on fire. So, s'mores, that's the first thing that comes to mind. Burgers. Also asparagus, cooking on the barbecue, really good as well. I suggest all three of those things. Chicken breast, turkey, dog, right, 3PO? You have nice meaty legs. You would taste good on a barbecue. Yes, you would. You look so uncomfortable. I'm sorry.
Alright, I did the yard, so it looks much better now. I still have to like clean up all the random stuff that I cut down, but the grass is reasonable, most of the weeds are gone, and I went along all the edges, all the freaking clovers are gone. And we can reach our shed again, which is fantastic. It's been raining like every day, and because of Wushu every day, there hasn't been a whole lot of time and energy to actually do the yard. So I figured I should probably get it done. It was way time.
Oh, you. Brad Demetrius. Oh, yeah. Oh, I have to Snapchat, sorry.
Oh, you just got, excuse me, I've got to Snapchat everything.
Home is where the fog is.